right, so we just got this. It's a heating pad by this company right here. And it looks like you wear it right on your shoulders. And I do believe we've got to break this. So let me get this off of here. Okay, now it just opens up and you should be able to get to, oh, there it is. Check it out. All right, so here we go. Wow, look at this thing. Oh, it looks so nice. It does come with instructions, and it's for personal use only, apparently. And it's got an important notice. But let's take a look at it. Wow, look at this thing. Here's the, let's pull back a little bit so we can see what we're looking at. So it does come with this. Pull that out of there. And this looks like the control panel here. And you basically just plug it in. So it's got a timer button. It's got a universal on button, temperature up, temperature down. So we can go ahead and take that off of there. Okay, that's ready to go. And now we just got to try it, basically. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, let's take this off here. All right, that's that. And yeah, let's see how this goes. I think it just goes over your, like, this goes over your shoulders, and it just heats up. And then you wrap this around your waist, I think. Let's try it. So we gotta plug it in. Okay, it's in. All right, nice. All right, so here it is, right? So I just gotta go like this. Just put it over me like that, right? Check it out. And I think I just do this. You know what I mean, jelly beans? And then just gotta turn it on. Turn the temperature. Oh, it's at 130 degrees. That's pretty warm. Get my hair out of there. All right. So let's see how it does. Timer. Got it set. It says it's at 91, 92 degrees. It's going up. It's getting warmer. Let me give you a view of the back of it. You see? And this is weighted, so it just kind of like stays on there. We're at 107. Oh, I gotta undo this part here, look. I need more cord. Oh, shoot, I just dropped it. All right, we're at 115. I can already feel it getting warm on my back. 119. Yeah. Oh yeah, feels good. It's really warm. It's nice. Oh, it's heating up my back good. Whew, I can feel it all the way down. So you can make this tighter too. So it's like this part here. So the tighter you make this, the better you're gonna feel it. So I'm just gonna make it really tight. I'm just tying it in a bow. You know what I mean? All right, let's see where we're at. 130 degrees. Now if I want to go up, watch. So it gives me 150. I can go to 150 degrees. I'm at 139, 140. It gets hot fast. Yeah, it's nice. And it feels good. It's like, I don't know, it's like fur. 147. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's heating up everything. I gotta say, I like it. So you guys can get this on Amazon. Check out the link inside of the detail page. You can buy it. And I'm not sure what these things do, but just put them on there and just let it go. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this.